Hey, what's up? We are rocking out at the airport again, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put together your KHONG CHIAM Trooper. Now, this is very similar to the Hong Kong Trooper, but that one, if you didn't see how to put it together, you probably saw it firsthand that it's kind of complicated. Not really complicated, you just might not know what the pieces are or where they go. I can open this here. I don't want them to fly all over the place. Here we go. But it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part, but there's just a lot of extra armor pieces that make this super cool. All right, just a couple more. There we go. So first things last, here is your Hong Kong Trooper, but you need to take the head off in order to get it started. And now you've got the base. So the next thing you want to do is you want to put on the arms, and they turn forward, so it's pretty easy to figure out which side goes to which side. The arms are slightly different, the details on each arm. There you go, like so. The hands are black, and you want to again have it so the hands go up, because from the side it's flat on the bottom, the way your hands go up like that. Have another one here. Boom. Got an extra hand here we won't need. Then we've got the armor. This is kind of the basic chest and shoulders. That's gonna go on top, and it's loosey-goosey, but then you put the head on, the Jeff Norgrove head, and there you go. That's keeping the armor on securely. Now, there's armor that goes on the wrists. And let me see which side is which. I believe, oh, you need to put those on first before the hands. Whoops-a-daisy. So the way the armor goes, it kind of goes on and covers. There we go. It kind of covers over where the hand would be, and then the hand kind of helps lock it in. Maybe I did that on the wrong side because that feels really loose. Oh, it snaps in. There we go. Maybe. Oh, I did it sideways. Hold on. All right, I have an extra. It's okay. This goes here. There we go. Snapped in. Now we do the rocket launcher, or the wrist rocket on this side. Snap that in nice and tight. Hand goes in here. There we go. Super snug. Then we've got these leg pieces. And these leg pieces here, here's the front. This just kind of slides on. It's like putting shoes on, but they go on sideways. Like that. Just makes the legs a lot bulkier. Here's this here. You can kind of see it sticks out. It's a little bit bigger on the front, where the feet protrude. And look at that. It's just got this cool beefy feel to it. It's such a beefy little minifig. We've got the helmet here. Oops. Butterfingers. Helmet goes on top. You can see like so. And then we've got the face plate that snaps on. And the cool thing about this is once you've got it on, you can also, once you've got it on, oh my gosh, Butterfingers today. There we go. Once it snaps on like that, you can also lift it up and you can see the face underneath. Boom. There you go. Now you can have your figure stand on this. I mean, it stands pretty good. It's got the bulky feet, so it's going to stay standing pretty good anyway, but you've got your little display stand that it comes with. And then what I like to do, I like to have the head turn a little bit like this. I like putting one blaster Now the Hong Kong Trooper, very similar armor, but the Hong Kong Trooper has a black blaster where this one has a silver one. If I can get this in here, there we go. Boom. I like to take the second one and I like to kind of put it in the back here, just to kind of hold it. Turn his head like this a little bit, and look at that. Isn't that the most adorable little KHONG CHIAM Trooper? Just beautiful. I love the colors, the Moroccan teal with the yellow accents, and then there's little bits of red that show the Thailand flag symbol, that phoenix. And there you go. There is KHONG CHIAM Trooper. That's how you put it together. Thank you guys. I can't wait to see. I want to see your photos of putting these guys in action and playing with these figures. I want to see the Lego sets that you're building for your minifigs. Can't wait. All right. I'll catch up with you guys next week. See ya.